So this is a super cute home in Madison. It is a townhome. Cute little kitchen. Nice appliances. This is a 2-bedroom townhome. So here is a downstairs bedroom. And with granite countertops. And so it's 2 full baths, washer and dryer connection. This would be a little dining area. Fireplace. That light doesn't come on. Pretty spacious townhome. We're gonna go upstairs. I love how the steps curve around. This area right here could actually be, a TV area, or it could be like a little office. The high ceilings make the townhome look really upscale. It's actually really cute. Really cute, very spacious. Here's your master bedroom. Here is your master bathroom. With the garden tub. This area right here would be super perfect for like an office. There's carpet on the steps, and then there's hardwood floors pretty much throughout. At least I believe these are hardwood floors. I'm not a flooring specialist. So. And again, here is your downstairs room. Let's take a look outside. Here's the outside area. This will be a cute little patio. Oh, shit. Oh, God. It's walls. Oh, God. I gotta go back in. Oh, Jesus. She does not have time to be running from wasps and bees and stuff. Anywho, that is the ending of this home tour in Madison, you guys. If you're interested in this home or any other homes, you know who to call.